First of all, open Instagram app and go to IG Reels tab. Now, if you tap the three dot icon here, you get the option to save IG Reels video, which basically allows you to save Instagram Reels within your Instagram app. But Instagram doesn't provide any functionality to download IG Reels videos. So how will you download Instagram Reels videos to iPhone Camera Raw? That's something coming up in this video. Hello everyone, Rahul here from Tech Guru Pro and welcome back to the channel. In today's video you will learn how to download IG Reels videos to iPhone Camera Raw. So without any further ado, let's get started. Downloading Instagram Reels videos is very easy if the size of IG Reels is up to 15 seconds. Let me show you how. Simply tap this airplane-like icon and then tap the first option that says Add Reels to your story. Basically, this will provide you with the IG story uploading interface that you usually see while posting Instagram stories. Now, you simply need to tap this download icon and this will save the IG Reels video to your iPhone Camera Raw. This is a quick and easy way to download IG Reels videos to iPhone. But the problem with this is, it only works for Reels videos that are up to 15 seconds. So, in order to download longer duration Instagram Reels videos to iPhone Camera Raw, we will need Documents app, which is completely free and you can download it from the App Store. Once downloaded, set it aside and open the Instagram app. Now, copy the URL of IG Reels video that you want to download. You can do that by tapping this three dot icon and then selecting the copy link option. Once the link is copied to the clipboard, minimize it and open Documents app. Within the app, there is an integrated web browser which you may access by tapping here. Next, go to instadp.com/reels and here you need to paste the Instagram Reels link that you recently copied and then tap download button and this will ask for security check. Complete the CAPTCHA to confirm you are human and then it will show the IG Reels video you want to download. Tap download and this will provide you with an interface to select folder where you want to download this IG Reels video. I'll rename it and ensure that I have selected the right folder. Then tap done and it will start downloading Instagram Reels video. You may check the download status here in the download section. Once the download is finished, tap this search icon and it will take you to the folder where the downloaded IG Reels video is saved. But this is saved in the Documents app and in order to move it to your iPhone Camera Raw, you need to tap this three dot icon and then tap Share. From the various options available here, you need to select Save Video and it will ask for access permission. Tap Allow and this will save the downloaded IG Reels video to iPhone Camera Raw. So this is how you can download Instagram Reels videos to iPhone and save it to your iPhone Camera Raw. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit that like button to let me know. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep watching these videos.